this is that one element of Garb Sanskar that I'm going to do today, which I think most of you would be immensely interested in. I don't know why it was being taught to me during my Garb Sanskar class only, but I took that way beyond that because I started taking that as my lifestyle. I started doing those activities as a part of my regular lifestyle, even when I was not planning for pregnancy, even when I was pregnant and post also. So the things which I'm going to talk today are for hormonal health. These are the things which I say to you people when I do your counseling. जब मैं आप लोगों की काउंसलिंग करती हूँ तो मैं यही सब सारी बातें आपको बताती हूँ. So let's start with our mantra of first and the second session. So we take this position, we intertwinkle our finger and we put it on our womb or your abdomen or below your navel area. Close your eyes, everyone. Take a deep breath. Take all positivity inside and release all negativity outside. Let's do it one more time. Take a deep breath. Take all positivity inside and release all negativity outside. We'll do it one more time. Take all positivity inside and release all negativity outside. Wonderful. Now repeat after me. Om Shuddhi Kriya Namaha. Om Shuddhi Kriya Namaha. Om Shuddhi Kriya Namaha. Om Devi Jananai Namaha. Om Devi Jananai Namaha. Om Devi Jananai Namaha. Om Shuddhi Kriya Namaha. Om Devi Jananai Namaha. Now take your both hands, rub them quickly, place it on your eyes, place it on your cheeks, put them down. So we did our first thing, that is our mantras. Alright, I think mantras give lot of relaxation. It gives lot of positivity right in the starting of our day. I believe everyone did your acupressure points also. This is our solar plexus point, correct? This is our uterus, the most respected organ of our body. And this is our pituitary gland, the mastermind gland. यहीं से सारे हॉर्मोन्स निकल रही हैं, यहाँ से सारी पॉजिटिव एनर्जी आ रही है. एंड दिस इज, ये हमारा शरीर का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट अंग है. Let me just start what I wanted to talk about today. And I think I would need lot of attention in this because ये one time knowledge नहीं है, ये practice का part है. Whatever I'm going to tell you today is something which you're going to impart in your daily lifestyle, and I am doing this with all my busy schedule and it is possible. तो ये मैं पहले ही ऐड कर रही हूँ कि ये genuinely possible है. जो मैं आज आपको बता रही हूँ ये करना possible है. और ये करोगे तो अपने लाइफस्टाइल में बहुत मेजर चेंजेस चाहते हो. एंड गाइज अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, this all is from our mind and our hormones. This is not by how many spas we do, how many facials we do in a month. इससे इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता जितना आपके अंदर की खुद के hormonal balance से पड़ता है. So this is very 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 important. Some of you are having PCOS, some of you are having endometriosis, some of you are having combination of these, some of you are having fibroid, let's say कुछ भी नहीं है, unidentified infertility, whatever. आपको ये समझना है, ये सब कुछ एक हॉर्मोन्स का खेल है. इन्हें समझ लो, इन्हें हैंडल करना सीख लो. We will be in the best shape and best state of our body. Correct? So let's start with this. हम सब इस चीज को भूल चुके हैं, छोड़ चुके हैं, वो अलग बात है. अपने बच्चों के लिए हम प्लान करेंगे आगे, और अपने बच्चों के लिए जिनके पास है उनके लिए प्लान करते हैं. Those are called hobbies. So today we are going to talk about hobbies. है ना? एक एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर क्लास होती थी स्कूल में which was all about hobbies. हमें क्या करना पसंद है. हम उसमें डांस लेते थे, आर्ट लेते थे, म्यूजिक लेते थे. कोई कुछ नहीं लेता था क्योंकि समझ ही नहीं आता था करना क्या है. So we will talk about hobbies now. I believe what are hobbies? Hobbies are basically the things that we enjoy doing on daily basis. It is not something to be done just once. It is not something जिसको हम एक बार ही करेंगे और हमें सब मतलब life sorted लगेगी. So why hobbies are so important for us? Hobbies are something which is a part of meditation. The patients who meet me on daily basis or who meet me in the clinic or who have asked me, doctor हम meditation कैसे करें? I always tell them, meditation equals to hobbies. Meditation necessary नहीं है कि हम ऐसे मुद्रा बना के बैठें, आंख बंद करें. वो guided meditation चलता है जो मैं आपको करा रही हूँ, but कुछ लोगों से अकेले बैठ के नहीं होता. It is not possible. Many of you say, मैम हमारा दिमाग इधर उधर जाता है. We start thinking things. We start getting too restless. You know, नहीं होता मैम, हम रोने लग जाते हैं. It's difficult to focus. So understand, every meditation, every person's meditation is different. मेरी meditation है when I do gardening. किसी और की मेडिटेशन हो सकता है जब वो ड्राइंग करता है. किसी और की मेडिटेशन हो सकता है जब वो कुकिंग करता है. किसी और की मेडिटेशन है जब वो स्वेटर बुनता है. करेक्ट? नाउ दीज आर योर मेडिटेशन. सो टुडे यू नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज मेडिटेशन फॉर यू. तो अगर कोई आपसे कहे कि आप डेली बेसिस पे मेडिटेशन करते हो, यू कैन से यस only if you're following your hobbies on daily basis. अगर आप अपनी हॉबीज को डेली बेसिस पे फॉलो कर रहे हो तो आप डेली बेसिस पे मेडिटेशन कर रहे हो. एंड हार्डली कितना टाइम? 15 मिनट, आधा घंटा. 15 minutes to 30 minutes is good enough time to give it to your hobbies or to give it to your meditation. It's one and the same thing. Okay? So this keeps us very very disconnected also and connected also. Disconnected from all our sufferings, from whatever is happening in our physical world. हमारे आसपास क्या हो रहा है, हमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है, एक तो हमें उससे डिस्कनेक्ट करता है और हमें कनेक्ट करता है हमारे अपने आप से. The one which is a beautiful soul, the one which is a beautiful body. हम अपने आप को प्यार करना सीख जाते हैं. Correct? So please, on daily basis, every one of you start following your hobby. And I am very happy with the options of hobbies that have come up. Listening music. So many of you have, given it down. तो आप travel कर रहे हो, you're going to your workspace. या अब आप कुछ अपना कुकिंग कर रहे हो, या अभी आप कपड़े प्रेस कर रहे हो, ironing your clothes. Correct? Just put on your music. It becomes a meditative come your daily work process. आपको कुछ अलग से करने की जरूरत नहीं है. People find it very difficult to find separate time for yoga, meditation. For them, this is one of the best healing thing you can do. This was my first thing for today. Now second, which I think most of us are struggling right now, that is called sleep. Our beauty sleep. We are not able to get it. And if we get our beauty sleep, it gets disturbed. We are not having a very peaceful sleep like a baby. It's always said na, sleep like a baby. एक बच्चे की तरह सो, सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के, हाथ फैला के. So let's talk about our sleep regime. A daily sleep regime. अगर आप इस sleep, and trust me, मैंने इसको daily नहीं करती हूँ. मैंने इसको डेली करना बंद कर दिया है अब, बिकॉज अब मुझे नींद आ जाती है, अब मुझे उस नींद को लाने के लिए अलग से जरूरत नहीं पड़ती। एंड मोस्ट ऑफ यू नो दैट आई हैव अ लिटिल वन हु इज ओनली 6 months old, तो रात में हमें 2 से 3 बारी उठाती है। बट इफ वी वेक अप, वी गिव हर मिल्क ऑल्सो, वी ट्राई टू मेक हर स्लीप, वी कैन स्लीप इमीडिएटली आफ्टर दैट, वी आर नॉट अवेक आफ्टर दैट, करेक्ट। सो वो एक हैबिट होनी चाहिए कि यार उठ भी गए तो इमीडिएटली नींद आ जाए। तो इस रेजीम को जो मैं अभी आपको बताने वाली हूँ, इस शेड्यूल को यू फॉलो फॉर मिनिमम ऑफ 7 days. If it helps you, wonderful. If it doesn't, then it requires a little longer time period with you. Then you follow it for 21 days. 21 day is a golden rule for making any habit. Any habit is 21 days. Habit equals to 21 days. Start with 7 days. If it is good, wonderful. No, then follow it for 21 days. Now let me tell you why sleep is important. I think we all know it. Rest मिलता है, हमारे hormones balance out होते हैं. We are able to think better when we have slept better. हम बहुत irritated होते हैं next day जब हमारी नींद पूरी नहीं होती है. So we need that beauty cutie sleep. So have that, next day full of energy, full of positive mindset, otherwise it's very difficult to pass that day. So what all you can do to, have an ideal sleep routine. First, what I do is, before going to bed, I try to wind up everything that is, scattered in my home. I try that. Jitna ho sakta hai, I keep the less work for early morning stuff. I try to wind up everything. So you wind up everything, you wipe off everything, and then you come to your room. The first thing is we need to wear the most comfortable clothing. The clothing which is probably the oldest clothing we have. That is what I say. I don't like my new night suit. I like my night suit जो कि 2 साल पुराना हो चुका है, which I have been wearing from last 2 years. That becomes my most comfortable clothing. Correct? Second, you need to wash your feet. Why washing your feet is compulsory before going to bed? It's a part of Ayurveda. I am not telling anything which is, it's not written anywhere. It's a part of our common science. It's a part of our Indian culture. We have to wash our feet every night before going to sleep. Now, when you wash your feet, you can do 2 extra things with it. One, when you wash your feet and you're genuinely dealing with sleeplessness or difficulty in sleeping, correct? Then you can do that. You take a chota tub. You can have a small tub in your bathroom itself. Fill it with lukewarm water. Put little bit of Epsom salt if that is available. If not, then any namak would go. Any salt would go. All right. You just add a little bit into it. You put your feet into it. I also add sometimes, some essential oils if that is needed. If you don't have it, it's fine. You can just add little rose petal. You can make it luxury if you have that time to have that luxury. Otherwise, a 5-minute soaking of your feet in your, in that chota tub of water, lukewarm water, and, this gives a lot of relaxation. Then you put your feet out after 5 to 10 minutes. You clean it with a normal cloth. You can use a towel or anything. And then you apply ghee, the clarified butter we spoke about in last class. So we apply that ghee on our feet. Okay. The lower part of our feet. That is known as the sole. Okay. You apply ghee over there. बहुत सारा नहीं लेना है, बहुत थोड़ा सा क्वांटिटी, उसको गरम करो and then apply it on your feet, specifically on your soles. I'm again and again saying feet, it's wrong. I mean sole, the lower part of your leg. Okay? 2 things we did. 1, comfortable clothing. 2, washing our feet and applying some ghee on. Now, you have to set a routine. So if I want to sleep by 10 o'clock, if you want to sleep by 8 o'clock, if you want to sleep by 11 o'clock, just 1 hour before that, don't use your mobile phones. Just leave the screen aside. Okay? You can read a book. You can talk to your partner. I think that's the best time to do all that. You can just, you do an hobby, correct? You can follow that hobby of singing, okay, or listening music. Not of dancing, because then you will be having again difficulty in sleep, but anything which makes you calm, but no screen at that time. You often see that after 9 o'clock, it will be very difficult for me to reply to messages at time, because I've got into that habit that I have to sleep by 10 or 10:30 maximum. So you stop seeing screen exactly 1 hour, then before your scheduled bedtime. Now you decide on that. What is your bedtime? Like according to your timing, according to your daily routine, you can decide on that. Yes. I do a gratitude note. Gratitude note ये क्या होता है? आपने पूरा दिन निकाला है इस धरती पे. You have passed one whole day, 24 hours again on this earth with all the blessings around you. Whatever you have, feel blissful about it. Feel blissful that I have a bed to sleep, I have a roof on my head, I have food to eat. These are the minimum requirements of a human life. Now we also have luxuries with us, right? We have proper television, entertainment things with us. We have a vehicle to travel, we have a job to pursue. These are, I call, luxuries for a human life. And we should be having full gratitude for it. That gratitude note you can make every day, or you can just redo it every day कि ठीक है मेरे को एक gratitude note मैंने बना लिया, वो ही मैं thank you note बोलती हूँ भगवान को कि thank you God for everything that I have right now. Bless my family, bless my people, bless people who are attached to me, who are connected with me, and keep me grounded, keep me as much as low profile as possible. I don't want to be a person with lot of heat in me. I want to be a person with lot of calmness in me. I just want to be a person without any anxiety. I want to pass my day with lot of calmness, with lot of इसको हिंदी में एक वर्ड बोलते हैं ठहराव. मैं ठहराव जरूर मानती हूँ. So you start doing this gratitude note, and with this you try to sleep. It works magical for a lot of people from day one itself, but it doesn't work for a lot of people also. So you please follow it on daily basis. इसको break मत करना. It's a simple routine. Wear comfortable clothes, soak your feet, apply ghee, then no screen time 1 hour before your scheduled sleep time, and a gratitude note. Please start following that and let me know still if you have a problem. So we did 2 things. One is hobby, best for our mental health and our hormonal health. Second, we did our sleep routine, the problem which we are struggling. And you can tell this to anyone in your family who is struggling with this. Okay? This is going to help all of them. Now, the biggest problem. Hair care, right? How many of you are facing some trouble with your hair and not happy with your hair? डॉक्टर बहुत हेयर फॉल हो रहा है, बहुत ही डैंड्रफ हो रहा है और बाल तो मतलब ग्रे का ग्रे ही रह जाता है. आई एम हैविंग ग्रे हेयर एट सच एन अर्ली एज. एंड व्हाट एल्स आई हियर पहले तो मेरी ना चोटी इतनी मोटी बन जाती थी, अब तो पता नहीं बालों का क्या ही हाल हो गया एंड ऑल दैट. इवन आई हैव ग्रे हेयर, अभी दिख नहीं रहे होंगे बट इवन आई हैव ग्रे हेयर, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. सो वी विल टॉक अबाउट द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग फॉर विमेन एंड वी हैव टू बी ओके विद दैट. ठीक है ना, मतलब हमें एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए, हमारे को अपने बालों से बहुत प्यार होता है. करेक्ट? ऑल राइट. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डू it's almost a 5-step thing that I do. Let's start with our hair growth and इसमें कुछ और भी ऐड होगा which is a surprise element. ठीक है. First thing, how many of you are scared to oil your hair now? You have stopped oiling your hair. अपने सर में तेल लगाना बंद कर दिया है क्योंकि डॉक्टर जब भी तेल लगाती हूँ इतना बाल गिरता है, मुझे तो तेल लगाना ही है. Correct? I think guys, this is the biggest mistake we all have been doing. This is the biggest mistake that we are doing right now. Listen to me. Oil करने से जो बाल गिरता है वो आज नहीं तो परसों गिरना था. Correct? So what I am telling, if you do oiling and you have a hair fall or you're getting your hair in bunches in your hand, it had to break off. You cannot stop it from breaking by not oiling it. आप imagine करो, you're just putting oil and massaging your head. How is it possible that you have a hair fall because of it? It's not. And the hair fall is connected with another thing that is called massage. That is the only way we can increase the blood flow on our scalp. Because scalp is the topmost part of our body, and because of the gravitational pull, most of our blood goes down. It doesn't go up that much. Yes, we have our pumps, our aortic pump, which will pull the blood upward also, but इतना नहीं जाता. जब हम मसाज करते हैं ना, we feel relaxed. When we do these kind of massages, we will also do a session of face yoga soon. I'll teach you how I take care of my skin. So we do massages, we do tapping, correct? These all things help us with lot of blood flow. This helps us to increase the blood flow. So stop panicking. डॉक्टर मैं ऑयल नहीं करूंगी, मैंने ऑयलिंग बंद कर दी है. No, Now I will tell you कौन सा तेल use करना है. I prepare my own oil, so I'll tell you what is the oil proportion. I have written it down properly. I use 1 cup of coconut oil, okay, and then I used 1/4 cup of sesame oil. Sesame oil is तिल का तेल, simple. So आप जो coconut oil और sesame oil use कर रहे हैं उसको pure होना चाहिए. So first is we will take 1 cup of coconut oil. We will take 1/4 cup of sesame oil, that is til ka tel. Correct? So we have 2 of these oils with us, right? Then we also add handful of curry leaves. Curry ke patte, like which we call meetha neem in Hindi and curry leaves in English. Okay. I also add little bit of methi seeds. I add hibiscus petals if it's available on my terrace. If I have any hibiscus का और इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं गुड़हल, आई ऑलवेज स्पेल इट रॉन्ग. गुड़हल का फूल होता है, उसके पत्ते आप उसमें डाल सकते हैं जो रेड वेराइटी का होता है. दे आर व्हाइट ऑल्सो अवेलेबल, येलो, रेड वेराइटी या पिंक वेराइटी का गुड़हल के पत्ते भी आप डालेंगे. नाउ हाउ टू प्रिपेयर दिस, मैंने इंग्रेडिएंट्स बताया. पहला कोकोनट ऑयल, सेसमे ऑयल, मेथी के दाने, है ना, करी लीव्स, हिबिस्कस ऑयल, वैसे हिबिस्कस के पत्ते. ये सिंपल है, इसको कॉम्प्लिकेट मत करो. आई हैव हर्ड पीपल सेइंग मैम इसमें कैस्टर ऑयल भी डालने क्या, मैम इसमें कलौंजी का सीड्स भी डालें. आई डोंट थिंक सो. वी नीड टू मेक इट दैट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. It needs very simple proportion. ठीक है. Now what you do, you make a double boiler system. You don't directly heat it. A lot of my patients are putting it in kadhai and preparing it. No, you have to double boil it. So how you double boil anything? You take a bada pan. ठीक है. You boil water in it. Now you take another vessel which can be kept on it without getting dipped into the water. वो पानी के अंदर गिरना नहीं चाहिए बर्तन, वो ऊपर ऊपर रहना चाहिए. जस्ट टेक अ बिगर पैन एंड अ स्मॉलर पैन. वो फिक्स हो जाता है. जिनके बाहर की किनारी निकली हुई होती है ना, they have those outer things coming out, वो आराम से फिक्स हो जाएगा. So you boil your water, put your thing, and now you add your coconut oil, your sesame oil, your curry leaves into it. जलाना नहीं है. You don't have to burn anything. I've heard it, doctor, we burn our curry leaves. No, आपको जलाना नहीं है. Understand guys, why we are making this and how we are making this. अच्छा, जब ये बना रहे होते हैं तो उसको ऊपर से lid cover कर दो and let it simmer for around. So boiling करा पानी का, अपना कंटेनर रखा, उसमें सब कुछ डाला, उसको थोड़ा सा हीट करने दो, फिर अपना स्टोव बंद करो. Now put a lid on it. Once you put a lid on it, it will simmer on its own. Now simmering से क्या होगा? The essential oils, the essential elements will come out. They are not getting destroyed. But once we do it directly in a kadhai or a pan and put a heat just below it, we are actually destroying lot of good, what is that word? Chief element. No, I call it something else. I'm forgetting. The principal element that we require from that. वो burn हो जाता है, वो जल जाता है, वो खत्म हो जाता है. No use. So you do double boiler, put a lid. What I do normally, I do this at night. I let it simmer till morning. I don't touch it till that time. So we do it in the night. We keep it on the stove itself. We cover it with a lid. And early morning, then we see, okay, now it is done. Okay. Little bit of water drops might be also coming in your oil. Then there is no problem. We are preparing very small quantity of this oil. So once you prepare this oil, now this will stay with you for at least a month. Okay. So you can do this on any Sunday, guys. ठीक है. So first thing. अभी अपन ने तेल बनाया. हाँ, अभी ये तेल लगाएं कितनी बार है. You have to apply this oil at least twice a week. 3 days का gap, then you apply oil. 3 days का gap, then you apply oil. ठीक है. And when you have to apply this oil, just 1 hour before head washing. Not for the whole night, not for the whole day. It is only and only asking your hair to have more dirt into it. So don't apply your oil throughout a day or throughout the night. We are trying to attract more dirt into our hair that way. Okay? You just need to apply your oil 1 hour before you go for head washing. Okay? You apply this oil, do proper massage. Now massage has to be done with the tips. My nails are mostly cut. Okay? So you should also have your nails cut. Don't put your nails in your scalp. Your massage has to be done with these soft parts of your finger, the tips. So you do massage like this. Okay? Now there are a lot of things available in the market. There is something called a massager in which you can put the oil, और वो धीरे धीरे the oil dispenses and you do the massage. I don't know about all these things. If it helps you, आप वो भी use कर सकते हो. But otherwise your fingers are good to go. है ना? Just massage your nicely your head. Now what to do? We'll do a home spa after this. We take a towel, we put it in water, lukewarm water, we ऐसे soak dry it, we do this kind of drying, we put it on our hair जैसे हम बाल सुखाते वक्त करते हैं, we just wrap it around our hair and let it be on our head for minimum of half an hour. Okay, so this is the routine. So you put the oil तो एक ही बारी बनाना है. Once the oil is prepared, now you will use it every time. You put the oil, nicely massage, take a towel, उसको soak करा गर्म पानी में, उसको अच्छे से निचोड़ा, put it on your head and you can go. Okay, now you have done this, you have done oiling, you have done massaging. Now the next comes your spa you have done. The last one is your head wash. अभी ना head wash के ऊपर there is lot of controversies. Patients are asking which brand to use. Guys, see, brand आप कोई सा भी यूज कर लो, हेड वॉश के लिए बिल्कुल फर्क नहीं पड़ना. ट्रस्ट मी, केमिकल वाला हो, नॉन केमिकल वाला हो, पैराबिन वाला हो, नॉन पैराबिन वाला हो, सल्फेट वाला हो, नॉन सल्फेट वाला हो, it will not make any difference. You can use any brand which is clearing off all the dirt from your scalp. Okay, so I am not going to suggest you any brands, but yes, अगर आप जितनी बेसिक चीजें हैं वो आपके शैम्पू में अवेलेबल है, पैराबिन नहीं है तो ज्यादा अच्छा है, सल्फेट नहीं है तो ज्यादा अच्छा है ऑब्वियसली, बट अगर है भी तो कोई क्राइम नहीं कर रहे हो. स्टॉप ट्रीटिंग योरसेल्फ दैट एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी परफेक्ट. You can't have everything perfect available to you. If it is there, wonderful. Now you just do a simple head wash. Okay, after the head wash is over, you do a natural conditioner. My natural conditioner is lemon with a little bit of aloe vera gel. I take a mug of water. I put 1 spoon of lemon and 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. Mix it nicely. Put it on my scalp. Put it on my hair. Do it like this. Again, I do a washing with normal water and I'm good to go. Okay, so your conditioner is done, your oiling is done, you did spa also, and your head wash is also done. This is the perfect regime for hair care. Okay, it is not going to give you results on day one itself. This will show its results after at least minimum of 25 days, because a hair growth takes minimum of 20 to 25 days to restart. And if there is any hair fall happening, let it happen. You cannot stop the hair fall. It's a dead cell. If it is breaking down, if it is falling down, it is not of good quality. Let it go. Please start building a good quality scalp, a good quality hair in your body. Correct? So इसको अगर जाना है ना, let it go. अगर इसको रुकना है तो ये रुकेगा. Correct? All right? Am I correct on this? So stop fearing, डॉक्टर मेरे बाल बहुत झड़ रहे हैं, मैं आपको फोटो भेजती हूँ, इतना बड़ा बंचा है. अरे अच्छा है, ये था ही नहीं तुम्हारा, जाने दो इसको. ठीक है? So don't worry. Look for baby hair growth. You can see, I have baby hair growth. This all happened. I became bald after Mishu, right? After I have my second one, now I'm again having hair growth, right? My scalp was visible. Now also it's slightly visible, but I'm happy with the baby hair growth, right? I also had major hair fall, but not to worry. No worries. Worries actually increases the hair fall. Correct? Now let's come to थोड़ा सा internal health भी हमें चाहिए for our hair care. We have 2 things. मैंने जो चीजें include करी है ना, उसमें मेरे को ये लगता है कि this is the ideal which helped me in my hair growth. That was black sesame and jaggery. ठीक है? काला तिल और jaggery. This was something which helped us a lot. So I used to prepare छोटी छोटी गोली of it. So I used to take black till, थोड़ा सा उसको रोस्ट किया, अपना थोड़ा सा गुड़ लिया, उसके साथ उसको हल्का सा मेल्ट कर लिया हाथ से एंड प्रिपेयर छोटी छोटी गोलियां ऑफ इट. नो फ्लेवर, नो टेस्ट, नथिंग, जस्ट च्यू इट. ओके, ऐसे इतनी इतनी सी गोलियां इज गुड इनफ. कोई लड्डू नहीं बनाने उसके, इतनी इतनी सी गोलियां वुड हेल्प यू आउट विद दिस. सो दिस वाज द इंटरनल केयर फॉर योर हेयर. सो वी आर ऑन द थर्ड सेक्शन. वी फर्स्ट डिड ऑल अबाउट हॉबीज, देन वी डिड ऑल अबाउट स्लीप, देन वी डिड ऑल अबाउट हेयर. Let's come to one more thing. I'm really happy because आज मैं बिल्कुल power packed बैठी हूँ to give all the information जो मैं अलग अलग तरीके से सबको देती हूँ, and I think we all need it somehow. Okay? All right. So let's come to another problem. डॉक्टर पता है क्या हो रहा है, पीरियड्स नहीं आ रहे हैं या पीरियड से जस्ट पहले ना मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरी पूरी बॉडी में ना ब्लोटिंग हो गई है. I have become that सूजा हुआ balloon who is roaming around. चलो let's come to this now. ब्लोटिंग को कैसे कम करेंगे? सिंपल 5 टेक्निक्स हैं ब्लोटिंग कम करने की. फर्स्ट एंड फोरमोस्ट, ब्लोटिंग मतलब फैट नहीं है. इट्स नॉट अबाउट फैट. यू आर नॉट accumulating fat just 5 days prior to your periods. You are accumulating lot and lot of water in your body. बहुत सारा पानी आपके शरीर में जमा हो जाता है पीरियड से पहले. दिस इज अ डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म विच आवर बॉडी अडॉप्ट्स. करेक्ट? इट्स अ डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म कि भैया अभी मैं पानी स्टोर कर लूंगी तो जब मेरे पीरियड्स आएंगे तो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा डिहाइड्रेशन नहीं होगा, मैं थकूंगी नहीं. सो इट्स अ डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म. बट वो कितना होना चाहिए? करेक्ट? इसके ऊपर हमें बात करनी है. वो बहुत ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. करेक्ट? तो अभी देखो थोड़ा बहुत ब्लोटिंग इज ओके. जैसे अभी मेरे को थोड़ी सी चीक्स पे आ गई है, बट माई हैंड्स पे इट्स फाइन, माई टमी इज फाइन. सो व्हाट वी डू फॉर डी ब्लोटिंग आवरसेल्फ, we take soft and mishri ka mixture after every meal. Soft, you know, fennel seeds. Mishri, that mota wala, you know, sugar. I don't know what is it called locally, but in North India it's called mishri. Dhage mein hoti hai, it's in a thread. Second thing which I take right before my periods, or let's say 2 or 1 week before my periods, is Triphala Churn every night. I am constipated or not, doesn't matter. You take 1/4 spoon of Triphala Churn with lukewarm water every night. It helps in debloating, and Triphala helps us in hormonal balancing also. There must be a lot of patients जिनको मैंने Triphala regular basis पे ऐड करा रखा है because उनको periods में भी issue आ रहा था. Correct? So Triphala Churn right before sleeping, at least 1/4 spoon with lukewarm water is supposed to be taken. Okay? And last one is early morning carom water. Early morning अजवाइन का पानी. तो रात को भिगो दी, बहुत बढ़िया. भूल गए, सुबह याद आई, take a spoon of अजवाइन, boil it to half of the water. So if you're taking 1 glass of water, it should come to the half of its water. Then you add little bit of normal water and you drink it. Okay, so 3 rules for debloating. I'm keeping it very simple because life is not that complicated how much we make it. One is soften mishri after every meal. Second is we will take our Triphala Churn every night, right, at least 1 week before our periods. And last one and most important one is carom water or ajwain ka pani. All right, so let's work on our diet management, which I follow, and it's very simple. See, I have a very busy schedule. I think most of you can understand also. So right in the 5 in the morning, it starts with us, and 7 we have to send our elder one. Then after that, or in middle of that, we have to start taking care of the younger one. By 9:30, 10, I have to be in the clinic. And all that, you know, it's a very busy, but I manage my diet somehow. So let me tell you the golden rules. I am not going to give you any gyan ki ye khao, ye mat khao. I'm just going to give you golden rules, which is applicable in whatever schedule. You're a homemaker, you're a corporate lady, you're a working lady, you are a teacher who goes from home at early morning, you're someone who is too much in traveling. Please try to follow these simple 5-6 rules I'm going to tell. Okay, I've written all of them. First is, most importantly, you should have these 5 things with you. Okay, sorry, 5 things with you. First, I call dry snacks. Second, I call energy boosters. Third, I call hydration boosters. Fourth, I call mini डब्बाज. हाँ, छोटे छोटे डिब्बा जो हमारे पर्स में रहने चाहिए. एंड लास्ट वन इज you should have packaged food. It's okay to have sometime packaged food, but clean packaged food. अभी हम उसके बारे में, क्योंकि you will be like, doctor, अभी 2 classes में तो you asked us to throw everything. Now you're again asking for packaged food. No, this is majorly for people who find it difficult for cooking food in the morning, who are traveling somewhere. So what are those options? So we're going to talk about these 5 things. ड्राई स्नैक्स में सब अपने अपने लोकली स्टेपल ड्राई स्नैक्स की बात करेंगे यहाँ पे. आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू सम ऑप्शंस. यू सी व्हाट इज अवेलेबल ऑल द टाइम, इजीली अवेलेबल. वो ड्राई स्नैक आपके पास हमेशा रहना चाहिए. आई एम नॉट सेइंग ऑल द 5 ऑप्शंस ऑफ ड्राई स्नैक शुड बी देयर, एटलीस्ट 1 or 2 शुड बी देयर. ओके, फर्स्ट इज रोस्टेड चना. It is available in most of the part of India, easily available. Okay. Second is अपना मखाना. You know, I always say to all my patients जिनको calcium deficiency है, vitamin D deficiency है, have makhana. 1 handful of makhana is having a calcium what we get from 2 glasses of milk. So have handfuls of makhana and skip your milk. Okay? So have handful of makhana. Roasted chana makhana. Then there is something called peanut chicky. I think it's available in most of the part of India. In North India, we majorly have it in in winter weather, but you can have it. अगर आप समर में भी ले रहे हो, इतना छोटा साइज ले रहे हो, it's not going to harm you. Don't have it to eat too much. Okay. Then there is something called this is difficult to prepare, but if you get time, you prepare it in one go and you can carry it. That is called dry fruit laddu. This is something very optional, but what you can have all the time is makhana, your peanut chikki, your seeing dana, your simple roasted peanut in salt. That is your packaged food which is clean. I will be coming on that also, correct? And your dry fruit laddu, if it is possible. I'll ask Shivani, our dietitian, to share it with you today. Then next come energy boosters. डॉक्टर, मेरे को बहुत देर हो जाती है कभी कभी. आई डोंट हैव टाइम टू ईट अ प्रॉपर लंच, बट आई नीड एनर्जी सो दैट आई कैन गो अहेड विद 2 more क्लासेस और 1 more मीटिंग. व्हाट कैन आई हैव इंस्टेंटली जिससे मुझे एनर्जी आएगी? आई ऑलवेज से हैव बनानास. Bananas are the power pack of energy. Please have your banana. There is no golden rule about it. Banana हर जगह मिलता है. If you're finding banana, तो have banana. Second option, जो कि हर जगह नहीं मिलता, बट अगर आपको boiled sweet potato, जिसे हम हिंदी में शकरकंदी कहते हैं, sweet potato, have that. Okay. Third one is थोड़ा सा difficult, but if it is available, it is fine. We call it murmure. That is puffed rice. Okay. These are the 3 energy boosters I want you people to follow. Banana, if you have a hands on it. Otherwise, sweet potato, that is shakarkandi. And the last one is puffed rice. These are called energy booster. ये instantly energy देते हैं. इनके अंदर जो carbs है वो plain carbs नहीं है, वो complex carbs हैं. तो एकदम आपके अंदर sugar rush नहीं होगा, slow and steady होगा, but instant energy दे देगा. अगर lunch के लिए भी भूख लग रही है, time नहीं है, you can have that quickly. ठीक है. Last one, hydration booster. इसमें मेरा first is detox water, जो मैंने आपको day 1 पे सिखाया था. Have your detox water with you. अगर detox water नहीं है, अभी इंडिया में सारे में, right now I'm sitting in Chandigarh. Here also I'm finding it. I was in Meerut, there also I was finding it. You can always find नारियल पानी. अब नारियल पानी is all over India. ठीक है? So have नारियल पानी or your detox water. Otherwise, अगर season है and you are able to get fresh sugarcane juice, have that. But sugarcane juice should always be added with little bit of lemon and little bit of pudina. If you're taking your sugarcane juice without that, please don't take it. ठीक है? Correct? So I don't want anyone to have their sugarcane juice plain. Have your sugarcane juice with your lemon and pudina. Iron अगर consume कर रहे हो, किसी भी form में अगर आप iron consume कर रहे हो और उसको अपनी body में लगाना है, तो विटामिन C होना बहुत जरूरी है. ओके. मौसमी के जूस में अनार डाल सकते हो. हैव योर मौसमी जूस और स्वीट लाइम जूस विद पोमेग्रेनेट जूस. यू आर गोइंग टू हैव लॉट ऑफ आयरन एब्जॉर्प्शन इन योर बॉडी. शुगर केन अगेन रिच ऑफ आयरन, बट इट विल नॉट बी एब्जॉर्ब्ड until you add little bit of lemon into it. You don't add lemon into it, it's of no use. So anything which has iron should always have vitamin C into it. I'll tell you another example of that. Another last example of that is अपना बैंगन का भरता. How many of you have had that eggplant bharta? Eggplant bharta would have मतलब अपना बैंगन which will be full of iron and lot of tomatoes. Correct? So that is another sign. This is not something I am telling you guys. This is something which is there in our ancient sciences. We are following it blindly, but when we know it, we focus on it. Correct? So we were on the hydration boosters. Last one is mini dabbas. Mini dabbas में what I favor is lot of Gujarati food. Okay, I love theplas. You can have those theplas in your bags. There is another Gujarati food which is known as khakra. You can have that. Okay. Then in North India, our mini dabba can have matri or namak para. Correct. South Indians, you can please have your chaklis. Correct. Murukku, which we call it. Correct. So every part of our India has different mini dabbas available. These mini dabbas are full of carbs, full of proteins, full of food, full of good fat basically. Okay, so make your mini dabba and always be there prepared with it. Now we come to the last one, the controversial part. डॉक्टर पैकेज फूड है तो अब आप क्यों बोल रही हो क्लीन कैसे हो सकता है? करेक्ट गाइज, आई टोटली अंडरस्टैंड. दीज आर द ऑप्शंस टू बी टेकन जब आपके पास कुछ भी अवेलेबल है. When nothing is available for you, you can have your packaged makhanas. There are a lot of good companies available who are selling packaged makhanas and packaged popcorns also. ठीक है? You can have makhana. You can have seengdana. That is roasted peanuts with lot of which is roasted in what we call it namak. It is available. Packaged मिलता है. Then my favorite, that is roasted moong dal की namkeen, which is of Haldiram also, which is of Bikaner wala also. I know there is nothing roasted in it. It is also fried, but still a healthier option. So I just told every one of you the healthier packaged food options that are available. So with this, we are done with our food management also. Now there are a few things. आप मॉल में जा रहे हो, आपको हमेशा आज के टाइम में कॉर्न्स मिलते हैं. You can have that corns instead of going for a sub. You can have a salad instead of going for a sub. Correct? Have your chaat pakodi, guys. I again and again promote chaat pakodi because that is the most healthiest food you can get while you are traveling. Okay? Have that local ka poha. Have that freshly made idli. These are the options rather than going for the food which is there in restaurants. So even if you're asking for a paneer makhni or a dal makhni, uski jo curry hai, it is quite old. Try to have something which is freshly made. I prefer South Indian food a lot because South Indian food cannot be given stale. वो तो already ferment होता है, correct? वो freshly ही बनेगा. वो बना के नहीं रख सकते. Can anyone prepare a dosa and keep it? No. Can anyone prepare an uttapam and keep it? No. Have those things. And in North India nowadays, I'm finding a lot of small stores, a lot of small vendors who are selling moong dal ka chila. Packaged food are just an option when we are out, when we don't have anything with us. Okay? और वो कितनी देर का टाइम पीरियड होता है? वो 6 से 7 घंटे का टाइम पीरियड होता है. I am just asking you people to make a healthy choice whenever you are out. If you're not able to have something on your own, you can have something from out. So then you can have those packaged food and a little quantity. You can mix 2 types of packaged food, one sweet, one savory. That is also fine for me. Okay? But don't consume too much. Always have a hydration booster along with it. So have a coconut water and then you can have something else. Have a banana and then you can have a packaged food. So try to make combination which is filling, helpful, and which is only and only needed in emergency situation. Otherwise, there is nothing better than a freshly home cooked meal. Nothing beats that. अपना घर का दाल चावल, घर का रोटी, घर का सामान से अच्छा कुछ नहीं होता. ठीक है? So these are the options which I have given you all. ठीक है? भेल पूरी, sabudana khichdi, dhoklas are very easily available. Chas, lassi, if it is freshly made. I prefer Amul ka chas a lot. Packaged रहता है, but फिर भी बहुत fresh होता है. Correct? So you can have all these kind of stuff. Last and most importantly, I think we are done with all the options and suggestions for the day. What I was trying to do today was not a proper thing about Ghar Sanskar. These are something which I feel as a current women in our current lifestyle, it is very, very difficult for us to take care of these things. One is our mental health. Please start following one hobby a day. This is your homework also. Okay. Second, your hair care. This is very, very important. I don't say ever ignore this or this. We will be talking about this in the next session. I will be doing a live face yoga with you all people. You will enjoy it. आपको पार्लर्स वगैरह पे रेगुलर विजिट्स की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. I have not got done any facial in last 2-3 years. I don't remember. I just ask कि ठीक है थोड़ा सा clean up कर दो if any wedding is there. Otherwise no facials, nothing. And you can retain a very healthy skin. Okay. Next is good sleep. Our beauty sleep is very, 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 very important. All right, guys. Last is what to eat, when to eat, and how to manage our diet. ये बहुत important part है of our hormonal, mental, physical health. I know it's very difficult to say कि यार कोई बात नहीं बाल ही तो झड़ रहा है. ये बहुत लोगों के लिए इमेज के एक बहुत ही important part है. I do understand as we grow old ये होना है. But if we can manage it somehow, we should manage it. Okay? Everyone now relax, sit back, this is the end of this class going on. We will just be closing our eyes and doing this beautiful affirmation. Wonderful, wonderful, everyone. Great. Now relax, forget everything that is happening around. You are going to take care of everything after you start taking care of yourself. First, you, yourself, me, myself, then I will start taking care of anything else. Correct? We will all take our positions. We will intertwinkle our fingers, put it on our womb very softly, very nicely, very gently. We will take some deep breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in all the positivity around you. Breathe out all the negativity around you. Just let all negativity go away. Now I will say and you will repeat after me. It's a very similar process. First, I will do it in Hindi, then I will do it in English. All right? आप लोग मेरे साथ उसको रिपीट करेंगे. मैं एक ब्यूटीफुल सोल हूँ. I am a beautiful soul. I am a beautiful soul. मैं एक बहुत खूबसूरत सोल हूँ. I am a beautiful soul. I will take care of myself. मैं अपना बहुत ध्यान रखूंगी. I will take care of myself. मैं अपना बहुत ध्यान रखूंगी.
थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग मी इन टुडेज क्लास. आज की क्लास में शामिल होने के लिए दिल से धन्यवाद. रिमेंबर, एवरी स्मॉल स्टेप यू टेक इज ब्रिंगिंग यू क्लोजर टू योर बेबी. हर छोटी प्रैक्टिस, हर प्यारी सी फीलिंग आपके गर्भ को तैयार कर रही है. ट्रस्ट योर बॉडी, ट्रस्ट योर इमोशंस, ट्रस्ट दिस सेक्रेड जर्नी. और सबसे ज़रूरी, अपने आप पे भरोसा रखो. इफ़ टुडेज वीडियो touched your heart, don't forget to like, share and subscribe ताकि ये healing journey और भी लोगों तक पहुंच सके. See you next week with more mantras, more warmth और एक नई healing story. Till then, keep glowing, keep preparing and your body and your baby is already listening. Namaste and lots of love from Team Nari Arogya.